that don't have coronavirus on them. Good morning, Kuwait. Today is the first day of the full lockdown. We are on curfew, but today I gotta go to work. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna download the app, or I'm gonna download my curfew pass. I don't know what's going on. Let's see how to do it. Here is the curfew pass application. And I'm gonna go ahead and do person. Civil ID number. Got my civil ID right here. Look at that good looking guy. So you gotta put in your civil ID number and your mobile phone. Let's see what happens. There we go. If below data does not match, please contact your employer to update your data. It's almost time for work. Every week I go to work 3 times a week for 4 hours a day. So I'm gonna go get dressed. Whew. All right, gotta go to work. Alright, we're going to work right now. I got my curfew pass right here. Also to mention, right now it's Ramadan, so you can't eat during the sunrise or the sunset. You can only eat at nighttime. But I don't know how many people are doing that right now, but if you're not, haram on you.
Hey kids, we're gonna make some cookies. Yeah, we're gonna make coronavirus and cookies. You need all-purpose flour, and you need sugar. Also, you need baking soda. Also, you need baking powder. 2 soft butters. Also, you need brown sugar. We need 1 egg. Also, last but not least, you need salt. You need your sugar cookies. You need 1. Dashi, I will take Dashi, I want to do. This is how we make basic frosting. You need milk, I need sugar, and you need butter, and you need vanilla. You know.
First, we need to heat up the oven.
Oh.
180. Get your flour like this.
Mommy! Oh, that's too much flour.
We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda.
Yeah, mixing it.
1 cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We need 2 sticks of butter.
Ooh, just in case.
We need to cream the sugar and butter.
Oh!
1 egg. 1 tip. You always put your egg separate from the dough you're making just in case your egg is bad. Egg. 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Oh, okay.
Slowly in the...
Did you just almost sing that?
Yes.
No, my gosh.
Into the oven.
Oh.
Confectioner sugar. Cup of butter in a very low speed. 2 tablespoons of vanilla. 2 tablespoons of milk.
I'm scared. I'm going to eat it.
Perfect.
Mommy has these. No, No, where is all the frosting? I was gonna make one last cookie. Day 1 of lockdown is finished today. Alright guys, this is a coronavirus cookie, but it doesn't have coronavirus on it. Bye!
What do you think of lockdown? Can y'all get a lockdown dance?
Yeah!
Whoa. We're looking for your pass, your lease. Don't be driving around looking for booty, trying to go to your girl's house, then get pulled over and say, but officer, I just live around the corner. You ain't fooling nobody. You ain't fooling nobody. Wait.
Turn on your computer. Yeah, I'm stealing. Last forgotten me. You need.
Look at that.
Didn't meant that.
Ang laki nun, ha? That's enough.